Is this even a thing? Let's go see. Sure enough, page 90. Page 90, Amish cough drops. Everything you need to know about them, the ingredients, instructions how to make them, and your dosaging. If you're more of a cough syrup person, they got that too. And that's found in this book right here, The Amish Ways. This book right here is DIY Self-Sufficient Heaven. There's a little bit of everything in here. Amish parasite flush, whole chapter on preserving foods different ways, and tons of information how you could be more self-sufficient in your own backyard. I believe they're running a sale right now, so if you tap the orange shop card, you can check them out yourself and you get free shipping.